Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Can you hear me, guys? Hello. Okay, let's get to start. Do you have my screen, guys? Do you have my screen? Okay. 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 Assignment 9. Go back. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Only 3 people handed this homework. Assignment 9. What is wrong with you guys? Everyone should do my homework. What happened? Shahiba, Syed Mubin, Wahid, Mirwais, Kulsum Taib. What is wrong with you guys? Only 3 people handed my homework. Okay, I think Wahid do the homework. Nazari also do the homework. Kasim also. What is happened with it? Nahida, what happened with you? Syed Mubin Amiri. Where is my homework? Shahida. Where is my homework? Mahbuba. Where is my homework? Everyone please guys, response me. Where is my homework? Okay. Hi. Hi Mubin. What happened with you? Where is my homework? Oh, okay, okay. No problem. Okay, Nazari. Mahbuba, I do not understand the Persian language. You can type in English or anyone can translate it. Okay, no problem. Whenever you finish your homework, you can, whenever finish your exam, you can do the homework. No problem. Nazari, I had internet problem. Okay, hello sir, please extend the time. I excuse. Okay, let me extend the time. Uh, edit. Let's make it 31st March. Save. Okay, I have extended the time for you guys. Please do my homework. It's now in 31st March. Okay. Okay, no problem. I have extended the time. Please do my homework. It's really important for me. I need to know that how you can catch my class. For this reason, it's really important. Okay, let's get started. Our class number 10, I think. Okay, let me take a new artboard. Okay, do you have my screen, guys? Do you have my Adobe Illustrator screen, guys? Just let me know. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your response. Yeah. Okay, first of all, I think we did our basic tools. Maybe in this class, we will almost cover the other tools because tools is important for Adobe Illustrator and also for the Adobe Photoshop. If you have better idea about tools, Photoshop tools or Illustrator tools, you can do any job. You can do any critical design by the help of tools. So this is important. So in this class, maybe we will cover these tools. Then next class, maybe we will start project. Okay. I think next class would be, okay, 5th March, 5th April. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we already did. This is the simple one, as you can see, the rectangle tool. We also did these things. I have idea about this. Okay, so if you do not have switch, you can just go here and you can appear switch from here. We don't need symbol for now. Let's quit this. We don't need this one now. We already did the important this one, this part. This is the important one, pathfinder. Okay, so for now we have switch. Okay, before this, let's clear our layers panel, because this is also important to manage your layers. So let's see, if I want to change the color, I can go here and I can easily change the color. This is my rectangle. I can also change the stroke like this, then I can increase and decrease the stroke like this. So yeah, double click on it, then click here. Okay, let me take a ellipse tool. Okay, then let's change this color. Click here, then go to here, stroke fill color like this. I think no. Okay, this color. Okay, let's change the stroke color to black. Okay, so let me take another one. Maybe it would be triangle. Let's click on it, hit OK, then change this color to this. You can also change color from this switch. As you can see, I have a pair switch tool, switch panel, so I can also change the color from here. And then I can increase the size as well, shift and alter. Then I can also select this one, like I can also change the color from the top, also from the switch panel. If you have switch panel, you can easily change color from here. If you do not want to use switch panel, you can change the color from the top bar. Okay, so yeah, this is the things. Okay, as you can see, now I have three types of shape. The first one is triangle, second one is rectangle, third one is ellipse. So if you go the layer panel, you will see the position of this shapes of this shape. As you can see, this one, this is our triangle, this is our ellipse, this is our rectangle tools. So you can change the position. First of all, you can change the layer name. You need to just double click on it, then you can type it's what is this. This is our triangle. You can change the name, then hit enter. Okay, you can change, you need to just double click on it, then you can change the ellipse, ellipse, and this is also rectangle. So in this way you can rename your shapes, as you can see here. So as you can see here, the positioning, as you can see, now the top position is this one. So you can change the, as you can see, if I compare with positioning, this is the first position. Okay, this is the second position, and this is the third position according to my layers panel. Okay, you can change the position of this panel. How can we do this? You can just drag and drop. As you can see, now it's now in drop. Just drag and drop. Okay, now it's now in drop. So you can also change this like this. I hope you understand. So you can just change the position, layer position, same as Adobe Photoshop. This is the thing. Do you understand, guys? This is the simple one. Just change the position, top, bottom, top, bottom. Okay. Okay, there are another way you can use like this, right? Then arrange, send to back. It will go to back. So if you want to make it like on the front, right, click on it, then send, bring to front. In this way you can also change the position. Arrange, then bring to front. In this way you can change the position. Then you can lock this layer. Let's say I don't need to work with this rectangle tool, so in that case you can just lock your layer, so you can't do anything else with the rectangle. Otherwise you can do this. And the shortcut command is Ctrl 2. If you want to lock this layer, just click here, then press Ctrl 2. Ctrl 2, yeah. I have pressed Control 2, so you can just click Control and 2 at a time, so it will be locked. As you can see, let me select this. As you can see, there is no lock icon. As you can see, for the elliptical, whenever I press Control and 2, it will automatically lock the layer. This is the thing. This is the quickest way. If you want to unlock this one, you can click here, or the shortcut command is Control Alt 2. Okay, this is the things. Let me lock this layer, Control 2 to lock this layer, Control Alt 2 to unlock the layer. This is the thing. Simple way. So that's it pretty much here. So if you want to like duplicate this layer, just drag and drop here. It will make a duplicate rectangle, as you can see here. Okay. And if you want to group here, just click here, then right click on it, then group. It will make a group, as you can see. Now if you move anything else, it will make the group. This is the simple one, simple task. Okay, there is like no difficult task here, especially in the Adobe Illustrator, because whenever we are working on Adobe Photoshop, we have seen lots of options like solid color, gradient color, brightness, and so on related to image editing. So in Photoshop, as I already told you, this is the vector graphics. There are no more like option. Okay, this is the layer panel. Easy panel, easy. Everything is easy. Okay, so we have completed our layer panel, and in the previous class we did our line tool, this one, rectangle, we also complete this one, brush tool also, we also complete this one, knife tool also complete this one, rectangle. Okay, rotate. Okay, in this one, let's start with the scale tool. As you can see here, scale, that means you can scale it, you can increase the, increase the size that we did by the help of by the help of move tools, selection tools like this. So if you want to scale this one, you can also use scale tool. So it will scale your as you can see, is to scalize your design, as you can see like this. So you just need to change, if you want to change the position, it will follow this this pointer, then it will scalize your design, as you can see like this. So you can customize the center point by the help of a scale tool, as you can see here. So if you want to scalize this one, you can just like this. So it will follow this center point, as you can see here. If I change this center point to another wire like this, it will follow now. It will now follow this center point. So by the help of a scale tool, you can change the center position. Then you can scalize. Okay. Because whenever we want to scalize this one, whenever we are using a selection tool to scalize our point, we can't change our center point. As you can see here, this is fixed point. Whenever we are working with selection tool, this point is fixed. Let me change this color to black. Okay, as you can, this is the center point. We can't change our center point whenever we are working with selection tools. But whenever we are working with scale tool, we can change our position. As you can see, now I can change the position, then I can increase and decrease my size according to our custom position. This is the thing. This is a scale tool. Okay, let me show you the share tool, which is another important one. So let's take a rectangle like this. Okay, let's change this perspective. Okay, if you want to convert this perspective, something like this, this is now in there. So if you want to change this perspective to like this, like this, like this, like this, so you can use share tool, as you can see here, share tool. So if I click here, then if I click, as you can see, I can change the perspective like this, as you can see. So if I make a duplicate, I just press Alt and I just move my cursor, so it makes another duplicate layer. So by the help of this tool, you can change the perspective of this tools. As you can see, you can modify. So if I right click on it, then press Alt, so it will make a duplicate. Then right click on it, then go to transform, then go to reflect. It will then hit OK. It will make something like this. Then you can make it none. like this. So let's go to direct selection tools to make it. Like this. Let's duplicate this. Okay, this is one kind of Netflix logo, as you can see. I just try to make it one kind of Netflix logo. If you see this, the Netflix looks something like this, as you can see. So by the help of these tools, you can create this type of design. This is one kind of Netflix logo. If you check on the online, so this is the easy one. So you can do this. Okay, the next one is reshape. So let me draw a line, as you can see. So let's say I want to reshape this one. Like I want to change this shape of this line tool. So in that case, you can use reshape tool. So you just need to change the line. As you can see, this is our path line. So if I change it to something like this, I can do this, as you can see. As you can see, that means you can you can change the design of your tool, as you can see here. So if I right click on it, I'm pressing Alt to make a duplicate like this, then right, then transform, reflect, then hit OK. As you can see, this is one kind of leaf, as you can see here. This looks like one kind of leaf, as you can see. Then change it to this color. Then you can merge this one. Just select two of them at a time. Then we have our pathfinder tool. I just make it merge. As you can see, now it's merged. So you can change. So let's say I also want to like reshape this one, this design. So you can easily go to here, then you can easily change. Not here. Let's take a polygon tool like this. So let's try to reshape this one. You need to change. Okay, this it is changed. As you can see, this is not the straight line. As you can see here, there is something web. So you can see, you can clearly see whenever you are using line tool, the reshape tool. You can see this one like this. So this is the reshape tools. That means you can change the tool perspective, the tool custom. You can customize your tool, your shapes by the help of these tools. Okay, the another one is width tool. So this is another interesting tool. So let's take a let's take a line tool. Then if you want to increase the width of this line, you just need to go here. As you can see, you can easily draw like this. So first of all, you just need to draw this line tool. Then you can increase like this. Go to width tool, then you can increase like this. So if you want to increase this one like this, as you can see, you can draw. That means you can increase and decrease the width. As you can see, I have increased the width. This is one kind of, let's say I want to increase Let me draw another line. Let's say that you can take any of pointer by the help of width tool. Let's see, as you can see, there are lots of you can take any pointer here, you can take any pointer here or here, any of pointer, then you can increase the width of this pointer. So as you can see here, I'm now in line tool. Let's change it to width tool. Then let's say I want to take a shape like there. I want to take a pointer here, so I can increase the width of this point, as you can see, according to my need. So let's say I want to take another one. So as you can see here, I can do this. I can make it more thin. I can increase this one density, as you can see here. Then I can also increase the thing, as you can see, like this. So if you want to make this like this, you can do this. This is one kind of leaf, as you can see here. By the help of width tool, you can increase the width of a specific point. Okay, do you understand, guys, these tools? Any question? Should I repeat any tool, guys? Should I repeat anything? Hello student. Okay, thanks Shahiba for your response. Okay, this is the things. Okay, thank you Mahbuba. Okay, wrap tool. This is one kind of similar with width tool. Wrap tool, if I take any rectangle, okay, then let's change it to this color. Let's change this color to like this. So if I take the wrap tool, so I can like customize my design. As you can see, I can wrap this one from the top, from the bottom, from the anywhere else. Okay, as you can see, I can wrap this one. Okay, like this, like this, like this. I can change this one. This is actually used whenever you are design any logo or anything else. In that case, you can do this. Let's say I want to make some web like this, so you can use the wrap tool like this. As you can see, that was only a rectangle straight line, but after using the wrap tool, I change the design, as you can see here. So by the help of wrap tool, you can customize your design like this. Okay, then the next one is tutorial tool. By the help of tutorial tool, you can also change the design, like your shape. As you can see here, like this. Whenever we do any project, then you will see that the uses of this tool. As you can see, if you press your cursor, it will like make something like this by the help of tutorial tool, like this. As you can see, I'm pressing my cursor, then it's make something like this, as you can see here. Then let's say I like this one, so I just need to select this one. We have idea about this tool. Then I just close this one. Then now I can use this portion. Group, as you can see here. This is a nice shape. Now I can use in any t-shirt this design. As you can see here, I have designed some t-shirt in Adobe Illustrator. So let's say I like this one. Let's say I like this shape. So I can use this design in my t-shirt design. So whenever we do t-shirt design, we will see. So let's say I like this one. Maybe I can draw lots of pattern like this. Maybe something like this, lots of pattern. Then I can use my t-shirt. Okay, same design. Maybe I can draw lots of graphics, something like this. Then I can use on my t-shirt. So it will make it more attractive. Okay, like this you can use. So I have designed all of the t-shirt in Adobe Illustrator. So whenever we complete our tools, maybe we will do some project, especially t-shirt design. So we'll see how to do this. Okay, maybe we can, I'm talking about something like this, maybe we can like do something like this, then we can convert it to a pattern, then we can use on our t-shirt design. Okay, so let's delete this one. The next one is Packer tool. So yeah, this is also something like this. You can change the, as you can see, you can change the you can customize your rectangle or anything else by using these tools, Packer's tools. As you can see, something like this. Okay, then the next one also blot tools. It will just just change your your design shapes. This is the thing. The And the scroll up tools same. As you can see, it makes some web. As you can see, you can increase some web, something like this, and the crystallize tool. As you can see, something like this. Wrinkle tools. Each and every tools almost same. As you can see, it will make different design like this. Something like a wrinkle. So this is the things. Okay, the next one is free transform tools that we are using. This one, like you can increase and decrease the size. This is a free transform tool. If you click here, you will see some other option. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, you can change this according to this perspective. If you select this one, it will transform according to this perspective, as you can see here. Okay, if you click here, it will change from this one. It will just follow this tool, this perspective, as you can see. So yeah, this is the free transform tool. As you can see here, this is a free transform tool. That means you can transform according to your selected point. As you can see, this is a perspective dessert and this is the free dessert. So I am now in free dessert, so I can change the perspective. I can transform my tools like this, and this is none. As you can see, like this is a transform tool. Okay, that means this one, but whenever we are using this one, we don't get any other option. But whenever we are selecting this one, we can change the perspective, that dessert, free dessert and perspective dessert. Okay, as you can see here, like this. Okay, just go here, select all of them. Okay, let's see. The next one is yeah, perspective grid tools. No, not this one, I think. Okay, puppet wrap tool. Okay, so by the help of this tool, you can modify your shapes. So whenever I click here, you can take the pin. So just go right click on it, then take the puppet wrap tool. As you can see here, whenever I click here, there are lots of pointer. As you can see here, there are 4 pointer. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you click this pointer, you can modify your shape according to this pointer. So if I click here, as you can see, now I can change. Okay, now I can change the perspective, as you can see here. So if I want to take another one, just click here, then you can change like this. So if you know about So if you know about Aladdin, this is a cartoon. So as you can see here, this carpet, you can easily draw by the help of Adobe Illustrator. Okay, this type of carpet, as you can see here. Yeah, this one, Aladdin. As you can see here, you can draw in Adobe Illustrator, and in there, as you can see there are maximum design draw on Adobe Illustrator. This is another cartoon. This one also draw in Adobe Illustrator that we are learning. This is also draw on Adobe Illustrator, as you can see here. This is also. So in that case, you can use this wrap tool, puppet wrap tool, so you can easily draw this type of carpet. Each and every 2D design on Adobe Illustrator. So we can change the perspective like this. Then maybe you can change the color from here, as you can see here. So if you go to wrap tool, you will see all of these tools. Then you can change, you can modify. If you want to delete this one, just click here, just click and press the delete icon from your keyboard code. This will be deleted. If you want to delete also this one, just click this one, then press delete from your keyboard button, it will delete it. Okay, this is the puppet wrap tool. Do you understand, guys? Do you understand this tool? This is an easy tool. Hello, do you understand, guys? Okay. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, shape builder tool, which is most important, especially whenever you design any logo. Shape builder tool, this is important tool, shape builder. Okay, actually each and every tools is important, especially in Adobe Illustrator, to make yourself more professional. So each and every tools is important. So yeah, let me select them, delete this one. Okay, okay, so yeah, shape builder tool. Okay, let me draw a shape, ellipse here. Okay, let's make it to stroke color. So press and shift and alter, then increase this, then shift and alter, then shift and I'm pressing shift and alter to make another duplicate. This one I'm also pressing shift to select two of them at a time, then decrease the size. As you can see, let's say I want to like draw a logo. Okay, so I just want to, my shape would be something like this, this, only this portion. This is my main main aim, to design something like this. So how can I do this? In that case, I can use shape builder tool. First of all, I need to select all of them. Okay, I have select all of them. Then I can go here. Yeah, then I want to delete this portion like this. Okay, as you can see now it's solved. As you can see, it's one kind of magic, it's converted. Do you understand, guys? Should I repeat? Okay, that's good. Let's take another shape. Let's take another one. Let's say I want to take only this portion, just select two of them at a time. Then you can click here, you can just select like this portion, not this one. I just select this one. Then if you go here, you will see now it is now divided. as you can see here, like this one kind of magic. Actually this is working like this, so yeah. So let's say I have select all of them. So if you press Alt, it will minus the area. So it will minus this area. If you press Alt, it will minus this area. It will also minus this area. It will also minus this area, and finally it will create something like this. And if you press Shift, it will edit the area. So this is the thing. If you press Alt, this is one kind of selected selection on Adobe Photoshop. Whenever we select the area, we are pressing Shift. Whenever we are deselecting the area, we are pressing Alt. So in that case, let me select all of them and go here. Not this one. Okay. Then if I press like this, now this is done. As you can see here, I can easily draw like this. Maybe this is one kind of logo, tennis ball logo, I think. If I am not wrong, maybe tennis logo, tennis ball. Yeah. As you can see here, tennis ball vector. By the help of this tool, you can draw. As you can see here, this one. I'm talking about this one. You can easily draw by the help of these tools. This is the SPG you can create on Adobe Illustrator by the help of these tools. Do you understand, guys? I remember all of this example because I will maybe edit this example as your homework. Okay. This one would be your task, maybe. So by the help of Step Builder tools, you can do this. This is one kind of logo as well. Okay, as I told you, whenever you do any logos, you can, maybe it will helps you to draw any logo. Okay, like paint bucket tool. This is another interesting tool. So let me draw a rectangle. Change this color. You can also change color from here, as I already told you, if you appear your switch tool. So you can do this from here as well. Let's take another one. Elliptical tools. Yeah. Okay. Let's take another, I don't know, another tool like this. Then you can change the color. Okay. As you can see here, now I have three shapes here. This is rounded rectangle, this is straight rectangle, and this is the ellipse. Okay, or you may call it circle. So let's say I want to change this portion color. Okay, I want to change only this portion color. I want to change only this portion color. How can I do this? In that case, I can use live paint tool, paint bucket, I think. Yeah, live paint, sorry, paint bucket. So you just need to select all of them like this. Then you just need to go here, then right click on it, then live paint bucket. Just click here. If you click here, then if you change this one, as you can see, the color would be changed. So if I take this color, then if I click this portion, this color will be changed. If I click this blue color, then if I click here, this color also change. So if I want to change this color, you just need to, first of all, you need to choose the color, then you can change. If I want to change this color, first of all, you need to choose the color from here, then click. Okay, as you can see here, I can change. Okay, by the help of that, let's say I want to change this color. Maybe I can take this, then this. Okay, so done. As you can see here, this is done. So by the help of light paint bucket tool, you can do this. You can change according to your need, according to your portion. Okay, do you understand, guys, this tool? And if you click here selection, you can just select a specific part. This is the tools. You can select a specific part, then you can change, as you can see here. This is the selection live paint bucket selection tool. Maybe you can select each and every tools. Okay, I want to make like this. Okay, I want to close this one. Okay, like this. Okay, this is one kind of selection. You can select each and every part. Then like this, then it's done. So by the help of live paint bucket tool, you can change each and every portion. Okay, this is done. And perspective grid tool, this is another one. So this is one kind of 2D design. Maybe if I have time, maybe I will show you some 3D design in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, you can also do some 3D design on Adobe Illustrator. So yeah, let's see. Perspective. Whenever you click perspective tools, you will see this type of interface. Okay, as you can see here, this is the x exist and y exist. Okay, if you want to increase the portion, you can drag and drop here. You can decrease the size. You can increase and decrease the size from the top part. This is the top part, and this is the bottom part. You can increase the size. This is this. If you want to increase this exist point, okay, you can use this one. If you want to increase and decrease this exist point length, you can increase and decrease like this. Let me show you. So let's say I want to increase this size from this portion, as you can see here. So I can increase and decrease from the bottom part. As you can see here, this is the portion. Okay, bottom portion. So if I increase this one, as you can see, like this. As you can see here, like this. Okay. And if I increase the grid, as you can see, you can increase and decrease the grid by the help of this pointer. Okay. So let's increase the grid. Okay. On the top part, as you can see here, on the top, you will see a small, small icon. This icon refers to this portion. If you draw anything else, if you select this portion, it will draw this portion, this perspective. If you select this one, whenever it's now in blue, if I do any rectangle or anything else, it will draw in this perspective. Okay. If I select this one, so it will draw this perspective. If I see the bottom one, it will draw the bottom perspective. Let me show you how we can do this. Let's say let's draw a rectangle on this perspective. So I have selected this one, left grid. So if I draw anything else, it will draw on my rectangle like this perspective. Yeah, as you can see here, let's now draw in this perspective. Okay, so if I select this one, so it will draw. Let me change the color so it will make different. If I draw this perspective, as you can see here, like this, it will draw this perspective. If I click here, it will draw this perspective, as you can see here, like this. Let me draw like this. Okay, let's change this color to eyedropper button to this. So now if I close this one, you have to go here, you have to select this one, then you can click here, draw, as you can see here. Now you can, as you can see here, this is one kind of 2D, two-dimensional design. Okay, if you change this color, so it will make more. Cancel eyedropper tool. Okay, as you can see, this one kind of 2D tool. Two-dimensional design, as you can see here. So by the help of perspective tools, you can draw this type of two-dimensional design, as you can see here. And perspective selection tools, whenever you draw, let's say I want to select my this tool, so I can use this one to, as you can see, I can change my, I can select my shape by the using of perspective selection tools. You can select your shapes by the using of perspective selection tools. This is the things. This is, maybe we will design some 3D design by the help of perspective tools if we have time in later. This is the thing. This is the important one. Okay, the another one is mesh tool. So after the mesh tool, maybe we will complete our today's lesson. So let's try to draw a okay, let's try to draw a shape. Okay, let's take red color. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So whenever I click on mesh tool, if I click this point, it will take a line. If I take this point, it will take another line. As you can see here, if I take this one, it will take another one. If I click here, if I click here, if I click here, it will take something like this, as you can see. So yeah, let me take some color. Okay, I'm pressing Alt to take another one. So double click on it. Let's take darker. This is too much darker. Okay, I'm pressing Alt to make a duplicate. Lighter, dark, lighter, then more lighter, then lighter color. Okay, let's make all of them in one line. Okay, so if I go here, as you can see here, let's modify this one, this portion, like this. Okay, let's modify this one. If you click any any tool, so you can modify any pointer. You can modify like this to make it more realistic. Let's make it more rounded. Make sure you are now in mesh tool. Okay, I'm now in mesh tool. So okay, so yeah, so let's, yeah. Okay, if I click any pointer, if I click this pointer, okay, then if I click eyedropper button, if I click I from my keyboard, it will selected the eyedropper button. Okay, as you can see, now it's selected. Then if I click here, it will make some darker. Let's again go to mesh tool. The shortcut command is U. If you hover over this, it is now in U. So if you click here, this, then if I click I, so it is selected like this. So if I click U, then if I click I, so this color is something like this, darker. Then U, then I, like this. Okay, then Where is my okay, you select this one, select this pointer, then eyedropper. Okay, same as this portion. I just want to make a apple. Okay guys, so you just need to select exit pointer like this, then go to eye. Okay, sorry, you have to select the pointer, otherwise it will, just change all the color. Then eye, as you can see here, then you, then let's select this portion, then I, let's select this one, then you to go to the mesh tool. Okay, then you, then I. Okay, then you, then I. Okay, then you, then I. U for mesh tool, let's take this pointer, I for eyedropper, U for mesh tool, I for eyedropper, U for mesh tool, I for eyedropper, no, this one, then U for this one, okay, then U for this tool, then U for this tool, then U, then U, then U, then U to select this pointer, then select, then U to select this pointer like this. As you can see, this is one kind of apple, as you can see here. If I spend more time, I can make it more realistic. Okay. For this top part, let's take a rectangle. Okay. Then right click, transform, arrange, send to back. Okay. For this one, maybe I can also use a mesh tool to colorize in the different color. Yeah. Okay, then click eyedropper, sorry, go to mesh tool, then click this portion, then click this, go to mesh tool, then go to eye, mesh tool, click this one like this. So if I spend more time, maybe I can make it more realistic. So let's draw a leaf by the using of width tool. Width. Okay, I need to take a stroke size. So if I let's take this color to like this. Like this. So this is one kind of apple. So if I spend more and more time, I can make it more realistic. Do you understand, guys? So you can draw apple, orange, and anything else by the using of mesh tools. So it will make, if you spend more and more time, it will make more realistic. Okay, 1 hour almost done. I think that's it for today, guys. Do you have any question about today's lesson? Any question? Anyone? Okay, thank you. But I have another request. Please do my homework, guys. Please do my homework, and I will attach assignment 10. Please, everyone, do my homework. I have extended time for you guys to do my homework, and I will also edit the assignment 10 homework on Google Classroom maybe by tomorrow. Okay. I can't install this app. Okay. Mahua, please send me a message on Telegram personally. Maybe we can connect and we can solve the problem. Okay, just send me a text on Telegram personally.